We had an Axios event the other day with Mark Cuban, who was very focused on artificial intelligence and how that was going to affect the workforce. What's your take on that?
I think that is so far in the future that it's, technology has helped productivity. So, as it relates to artificial intelligence, technology has made the American worker more productive. In terms of artificial intelligence taking over American jobs, I think we're so far away from that not even on my radar screen.
How far away?
Far enough that it's
7 more years.
7 more years. I think it's 50 or 100 more years.
Why that long?
Because again, I think that now again, what we're talking about, it depends on what you think of artificial intelligence. Self-driving cars. Again, we were discussing this last week. Do I think you could see a scenario where you have tunnels and you put self-driving cars in tunnels and they go from one part of the country to the other? Absolutely. That to me isn't artificial intelligence. That's computers and using real technology we have today. Those types of things are very real. That's very different than artificial R2D2 taking over your job, interviewing me. So are you worried that your job's going to be displaced by artificial intelligence?
The Treasury Secretary says I have at least 50 years. If God gives me that, I'll be happy as a clam. But on the other end, from R2D2, robotics and the effect that it has on lower skilled jobs. I saw something the other day about a robot that can fold towels and sheets in a hotel. How worried are you about those? Or how should we think about those more short-term effects?
Well, I'm not worried. Quite frankly, I'm optimistic. That's what creates productivity. And what we need to do, we need to invest in training. We need to invest in education for the American worker. Our economy is stronger because our American workers do things very efficiently, very well. We want people trained. So if you can have a robot who folds towels, so that our workers can be doing higher productive things at higher wages, that's a great thing. That's a fabulous thing. That creates productivity, that creates opportunity, that creates profits.
So you're not worried in the near term about mass displacement of workers by robots?
No, not at all. I think you've seen robotics have been an important part of business, and have supplemented. And if anything, what it's done is it's taken jobs that are low-paying jobs, and what we need to do again is we need to make sure that we are investing in education and training for the American worker.
Mr. Secretary, a reader first question, and my events colleagues have